Hi, I'm Mayuri, head interior designer at Spaces of Hue. And at Spaces of Hue, we design homes, we do turnkey projects, we do projects that involve a makeover. Today, I'm back with SOH Handmade series, where we're going to be talking about DIYs, which are easy to do, hacks that can be done in a jiffy, and make your home thrifty, nifty, and beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to Spaces of Hue. Today we are back with another DIY, napkin folding DIY. So let's dive into it. This is can be used as a traditional for an Indian setup as well. Otherwise, you can also use it for something more Western. So to start with, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this napkin into a triangle like this, right? And I'm going to turn it over like this. Once I do that, place it like this. You can adjust the length. What we're trying to do is we are trying to create a pocket folded napkin. So we're trying to create a pocket here so that you can place something cute. I'll talk about that later. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to fold it a bit more and make it into like a ship, right? You can see the ship here. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to make it into, so just ensure that your symmetry is there. If you're folding it up this much from this side, then you ensure that you fold it up from this side as well, right? And then I'm going to fold this over again like this. Again, I'm going to take this here and I'm going to fold it here and stuff it in if possible. Let me just see. It's a bit tight over here, so I'm going to just a bit, just like a little nook over here, and turn it over. Once you turn it over, you will have this little pocket that is created. What you can use it is to either put like a simple flower like this, or if you're making it a longer one, you can even put the cutlery like this. So if you want to stuff the cutlery in it, you want to ensure that you make it a bit longer. So for that, create a pocket, but just a very small pocket over here, very simple pocket over here. Like this, place it over like this. Sorry, this is falling off, sorry. Place it over like this, just put in like this, and then just place it on top of your plate. We'll style these for you towards the end of the video, so you can watch the video till the end to see how we styled it on top of the plates. So for this folding technique, it's a really simple one. Again, what you need to do is take your table napkin and fold it into a triangle like this, right? Once you fold it into a triangle like this, just sort of take off the pieces like this. Fold it like this, bring it over here, then one, and almost make it equal, and then just press the sides this way to make it into a nice long napkin fold, so that it kind of looks really nice. And then I'll flip it over like this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it like this fold the two sides like this, almost like how you fold a shawl around yourself, right? Around your shoulders, like this. And I'm going to take the napkin ring that we have created. We've created a bigger one over here, so that's easier. And I'm going to put the wrong side towards myself, because we want the right side to be towards where the ribbon is being created. So you bring it up till here, you take this over here and you push it through this like this, okay? And then you keep pushing it like this, okay? And then just press them a bit so that it has space. Yeah, flip it over. So this is how your ribbon looks right now. Adjust the sides of the ribbon like this. Press it a bit more. And that's it. You're all done. You have this really cute ribbon fold napkin that's ready. And your guests literally have to pull these like this and they will be able to open the napkin, put the napkin ring aside and use it. We'll show you in the end how we style this. You can watch in our previous video, we had shared how to make these napkin rings. They're super easy, super quick. So you can definitely look it up over here in my next playlist section, and you can have a look at the video and learn how to make them and use them. So for the next technique, it's very posh looking napkin folding technique. It's called Fleur de Lis, which means it's a flower, looks like a flower, and basically I think it's French. Let's check out the technique now. So for this technique, you first need to fold your napkin into a half like this, across the thing, and then basically fold the corner one side and then the other side like this, right? So once these are done like this, what you need to do is you need to bring these corners to the top like this, right? And then again fold them like this, like a, okay. If you want, you can even iron it to stay in this shape, but it's totally okay if you can't. It's totally fine. You can pull it up a little below like this and then make a bigger flower sort of an arrangement like this. Now what you need to do is bring this bottom a little bit closer like this, hold it like this, and use your napkin ring to bring this together like this. Make it look like a little bit more flowery on the sides like this. Same thing, just pull it up, adjust it well. Very beautiful, very artistic, comparatively easy technique of napkin folding. Fleur de Lis right here for you. So I hope you like these techniques and will be using them this season. And yeah, I'll see you in the next styling or DIY video soon.